Here comes this chopper. It's just starting to take off. Taking off now, pulling out of that. The rain's coming in. Yee-hoo. Awesome, come down this way. Ah, man, fuck yeah! Woo! See and get that wind going around that point. Wow, that was cool. That was awesome, man. The chopper was pumping hard. Pumping hard. You can hear it struggling. It's going into that breeze, the wind's coming from over there and he's just going straight into it. Awesome. Awesome, just awesome. Yeah, that was cool. It's actually, it's quite a nice day. Like, I mean, we're getting these rain clouds coming over, but it's a pretty nice day, really. Just out there, it's not so nice, not nice at all. You can see the whitecaps. Just, it'll be, man, it'll be short, sharp, and nasty waves out there. The only way to be going if you're in there is with it. I wouldn't want to try and punch into that, because it's 45, gusting 45 knots. You'd be reefed down. It'll be a slog, absolute slog, unless you just went beam on somehow to cross that channel. But that's a story for another day.